Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
Alright, now we are actually taking a glimpse of this place, guys, where we are taking a glimpse of this place. We are actually in Bangkok. This is Bangkok, guys. Bangkok is such a lovely place to be, right? Bangkok is how it is. This is the place where we are, Bangkok, right? So I want to see if I'm gonna be able to go and take a video. I'm gonna go to the pool now, guys. Yeah, so guys, this is our apartment where we are in. I'm sorry for the mess, but we're eating, we live, we eat, we just finished eating now. So there is a kitchen, guys, where we are actually
It's dirty.
no, it's not dirty. So we are actually going out. No, I didn't take. I only took from there only.
You can
Right.
dress up like that without ironing.
So we are actually going to the pool. Right. So this is a very nice apartment, guys. Very nice apartment, right? Very nice apartment, right? But it's such a very wonderful place. So guys, here now it's at night, right? It's at night. It is at night. As you can see, everyone is sleeping, guys. Everyone is sleeping. It's at night. It's actually in the middle of the night. But you can see some people are still working. Some people still working. Like us, we're going to the shop. They are also going to the shop. You will see. So it's one of those things you can see there. As you can see, all right. So we're going to. They call it Regent's Langsuan campus, International School Bangkok campus. Yeah, it's a school here, guys. It's a school. Right, that's Center Point. That's where we were staying before. Right. So Regent International Langsuan campus. It's a school. That's where. No, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. We don't need a taxi. Right. So, yeah, me and my boy, we're going. We're walking at night. It's actually at night. This is the bank, Simbi Thai. Right? Simbi Thai. CIMB Thai. Right? This is the big bank. So as you go up, you see there, I think these are also condominiums. Condominium. What? They call it condominiums. Yeah? Condo what? Condo. Yeah, condo. Yeah, you're not you. Condominium. Yeah. Yeah, so you guys here, you can do sightseeing in Bangkok. This is what you can do. There's a lot of things, right? You can do a lot of things. Floating market and all those type of things. It's at night, guys. You see, these guys also looking for me.
Driver.
The driver.
Yeah.
The driver.
Yeah.
He's driving. Oh.
No.
Oh, he's driving which car?
Yeah, this car.
Okay, which car?
Come here. Yeah, this car.
So this is the driver. Oh, the driver. So he's got his car here.
Yeah, this
So
car.
if you wanna go somewhere, he can take you. How much would you charge me for a day? If I wanna go for a day tour.
Day tour, 1,000 baht only.
1,000 baht.
Yeah, anywhere.
Day tour.
Day tour.
So day tour here is 1,000 baht,
Yeah, good price for you.
and I see 1,000 baht. It's almost like 500 our money for a tour. So he says he can charge me 1,000 baht, and that is only for a day tour. So guys, it's so cheap here. Anyway, we'll come. Let's go, Lavi. Right. It's so cheap here. Oh, we passed the road here, so we have to pass here on the pedestrian lines. Wait, watch out for the cars. Right? Let's wait. Let's wait for the cars. Let's wait for the cars, guys. The cars are coming. Let's wait for the cars until they pass. We can't just take a chance and pass because some of these guys, they might not stop. Right. So we're going. Right. We're going. We're going. We're now out. Right. So this is their bank. CIMB Thai Bank. This is their bank. Right. So we're walking, guys. We're walking. Right. So this is the security. At least it's better. It's not feeling hot. It's at night. You know, so it's okay. And this is a madam pushing something. I don't know what is she pushing. She's going in somewhere, but yeah. So that's it. That's it, guys. So here we are entering the shop. Entering the shop. Actually, we will be entering the shop. We'll see as time goes.